Hi everyone. As we know, we can do so many cool things with Salesforce Screen Flow. Yet, while solving few of the business requirements, there comes a time where there's few of the limitations with out-of-the-box functionality that Salesforce Flow can provide, which makes us tend to move more toward the custom development instead of directly going with the Salesforce Flow, which is yet so powerful, but with few of the limitation. Before moving to the custom development, I always suggest a route of checking out managed packages that are currently available and been provided to few of the great contributors in the Salesforce community. Today we'll check out one of that managed package, which is using Confetti while in the screen flow. So this particular managed package can be installed from Salesforce Times uh, website where we have it for Confetti. All we need to do is check out this link, and using this we can install the managed package. As we can see, I have already installed the managed package. This is the managed package name called Emoji Confetti. All we need to do is use this managed package in a screen flow. Let's check out one of the example that I've already built. This is a pretty simple screen flow where we allow users to update the opportunity in one of the screens. Let's check out this first screen. Here we can see that I have a simple field update going on, that is stage field and description field. I'm allowing user to select any custom value for the stage and put in that description. And then this is the screen where I'm updating the opportunity with the user entered data. I'm updating the description and we are updating the stage name. And this is a simple decision maker checkbox where we are checking what exactly is the opportunity status. If the opportunity status is closed won, we are only allowing our confidence screen to run there. Later, so there is a screen where I want to add the confetti. All I have to do is go ahead and search the component emoji confetti. So this is the custom component which comes out because I have installed the install package from the install package for the managed package. So as we can see, all we have to do is drag and drop this particular confetti, emoji confetti, and then it comes up with few of attributes that we need to populate to get this components up and running. So these attributes allow us to update the functionality and make it work based on our business requirements. So it gives you few other flexibility, like let's start with setting up the API name first. Confetti 2. So first we need to set up the duration. So duration defines as, even we can see it in the help text, it allows users to see how many seconds that particular confetti needs to last in the screen when it comes up. We can change it based on requirement. And then here we need to add the emojis that need to show up in the screen. So we can search through our favorite emoji list and add those emoji with comma separated. And then we have number of confetti pieces that need to show up in the screen. So if we don't want our screen to be clustered, we can just select few number of confettis emoji so that it doesn't cluster up with the emoji count. Then we can turn up the random rotation, whether it should be turned on or turned off. Based on that, it will either rotate the emojis or not. Then we can set up the screen size, whether it should be set to medium, small, large. So this defines the size of the emoji on the screen when it shows up with the confetti. Then we have speed. So this speed defines how fast we want emojis from move from up to down in the confetti. So here's one which I've already set up. So this emoji is a celebration emoji which shows up when the opportunity is closed won. So we can see that I've set it for 10 seconds. And then the emoji is celebration emojis, and number of confetti pieces I've kept in normal 80. The random rotation is off. Size is small, which I've changed from medium to small, and the speed is 8. Let me remove the old one. This is the one which I've set for celebration, and we can go ahead and check it out. So this is one of the opportunity, and currently it's in negotiation review stage. And this is the screen flow that I had created. I've placed it currently in my opportunity. We can either use this or we can put it as a part-time screen flow. I'll go ahead and do a closed one. So what to do is next. So we can see as this meets our criteria, we are able to execute the confetti screen, and we see the confetti screen with the celebration emojis. This is a great way to add a confetti screen uh, in a Salesforce screen flow. There can be also few of the requirement where we don't need a screen flow eventually, but we still want to add the confetti in the screen. Let's say we want to do it based on a particular field update from the details section. We say that when the screen flow needs to execute when it moves the amount to more than a billion. So once that happens, we can set up a screen flow in a way that we are executing a invisible screen flow, basically where we just add the confetti screen and we show the screen flow only when the amount goes more than a billion, and we can set that visibility using edit page, and we can set up the visibility of the component based on which this Salesforce screen flow will only show up when the amount goes up above 1 billion, and it executes the confetti screen and user is able to see the confettis that we saw just now. This way we can use it even when you're not actually using the Salesforce screen flow, but we can just show the confetti based on our requirements. That's pretty much it for today. Thank you.